A very good morning, aspirants. Welcome back to our channel, MPSC Easy Learning. In today's lecture, dated 4th of May, we'll be covering the most important current affair questions of the day. Our session consists of 10 questions from specific Maharashtra, India, and world issues. And during the lecture, if any question has been asked on the topic previously, we'll also be discussing the previous year questions and which points are important from the upcoming exam perspective. So let's start with question number 1. Question number 1. What is the name of the mission launched by Indian government to evacuate its citizens from Sudan? Option A, Operation Kaveri. Option B, Operation Maitri. Option C, Operation Dost. Or option D, Operation Vistar. The right answer is A, Operation Kaveri. Operation Kaveri was launched by Indian government to evacuate its citizens from the country of Sudan due to increasing violence in that country. Here in the second slide, I have mentioned certain operations which have been in news recently. Like today we saw Operation Kaveri. Operation Dost was launched in the year 2023 to assist the country of Syria and Turkey to following a violent earthquake. In the year 2022, Operation Ganga was launched to evacuate Indians from the country of Ukraine. In the year 2021, Operation Dev Shakti was launched to evacuate Indians from the country of Afghanistan. In the year 2020, Operation Vande Bharat was launched to bring back stranded Indians due to COVID-19 pandemic. And in the year 2018, Operation Nistar was launched to assist Indians in the Yemen cyclone. And in the year 2017, Operation Insaniyat was launched to assist Bangladesh to overcome its humanitarian crisis. So here we need to know ये topic पे questions कौन से type के आ सकते हैं. First, it can be asked in match the following. For example, they can give you the years for 2022, 2021 and 2020 with the names of the operation and you will be asked to match them. And the second format is they can give you the name of the operation and the reason why they were launched. You will have to match that. Or the third format is they can give you an operation. For example, Operation Dev Shakti was launched to evacuate Indians from which country? So the answer will be Afghanistan. Operation Vande Bharat and Operation Insaniyat have been asked in Rajasthan exam and in Bihar Public Service Commission. The type of question asked over there was Operation Vande Bharat was launched for which reason? Firstly, and Operation Insaniyat, it was asked in BPSC. The question was Indian government launched Operation Insaniyat to assist which country? So your answer will be Bangladesh. Here I have mentioned one question. Why was Operation Maitri launched in 2015? Do let me know the answer in the comment section. Question number 2. When is World Asthma Day celebrated? Option A 10th May, Option B 2nd May, Option C 3rd May या Option D 4th May. आपका सही आंसर है Option B 2nd May. World Asthma Day is celebrated on the 2nd of May every year. What is the aim? ये दिन मनाया क्यों जाता है? To increase awareness about how does asthma actually impact the life of the people. And it was organized by Global Initiative for Asthma which was established in the year 1993. Theme काफ़ी important होता है days पे, so do learn this. The theme is asthma, care for all. And what causes asthma actually? It is caused due to air pollution. जहाँ पे आपका respiratory tract पे inflammation हो जाती है. Question number 3. Bihan Mela is celebrated in which state? Option A Maharashtra, Option B Gujarat, Option C उत्तर प्रदेश या Option D Odisha. आपका right answer है Option D Odisha. Bihan Mela is celebrated in the state of Odisha. और कौन सा tribe इसे celebrate करता है? So it is the Kond tribe. And apparently Kond tribe is the largest tribal group in the state of Odisha. ये क्वेश्चन आया था यूपीएससी के प्रीलिम्स में, where they had asked you to match Kond tribe with the state in which they are in. So Kond tribe is from the state of Odisha. What is this Mela about? This festival is about the farmers harvest Kharif crops. The preparation for this festival starts as soon as farmer harvests the Kharif crops. Question number 4. Who has recently become the president of Bangladesh? Option A, Mohammad Sahabuddin Ahmed Chukwu. Option B, Salim Ali. Option C, Amir Khalil. या ऑप्शन डी, आबदार शेख. आपका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, मोहम्मद सहाबुद्दीन अहमद चुकू has become the president of Bangladesh. And if we see about Mohammad Sahabuddin Ahmed Chukwu, he is actually a judge. He has been a judge in the district and sessions court. He is a politician and he is also a civil servant. Recent news about Bangladesh. Mohammad Sahabuddin has become the 22nd president of Bangladesh and he is the only president to be born after the partition of India. 21st president कौन थे बांग्लादेश के? मोहम्मद अब्दुल हमीद. And from which party does Mohammad Sahabuddin belong to? He belongs to Bangladeshi Awami League. They also ask from which political party does a particular political leader belong to. So do pay attention on this as well. What is the currency of Bangladesh? It is Taka. This question has been asked in Punjab Sub-Inspector exam. And the border line between India and Bangladesh को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Radcliffe line ये बोलते हैं. Recently Taka has been declining, so International Monetary Fund has sanctioned a 4.7 billion USD help program. And a very important news, please pay attention. India and Bangladesh has launched a friendship pipeline project. ये pipeline से India is going to supply diesel to Bangladesh. This is approximate 131.5 किलोमीटर लॉन्ग और ये इंडिया से सिलीगुड़ी वेस्ट बंगाल टू पार्वतीपुर इन दिनाजपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ बांग्लादेश. This is the start. Siliguri is the start point and Parbatipur is the end point. These are certain important points about Bangladesh. Question number 5. Who has recently taken over as the 17th Commander-in-Chief of the Andaman and Nicobar Command? Option A, Sujit Hausen. Option B, Air Marshal Sanju Balakrishnan. Option C, Manoj Pandey. या ऑप्शन डी, गिरीश रावत. आपका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, एयर मार्शल संजू बालाकृष्णन. Question number 6. India is set to, इधर A और फिर B आएगा. Establish a chamber of commerce with which country? Option A, Ukraine. Option B, Russia. Option C, Brazil. या ऑप्शन डी, USA. आपका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, यूक्रेन. तो ये चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स हमने एस्टैब्लिश क्यों किया है? टू स्ट्रेंथन द कमर्शियल टाइज बिटवीन दीज टू कंट्रीज, दैट इज ऑफ इंडिया एंड यूक्रेन, एंड ऑल्सो टू इंक्रीज अपॉर्चुनिटीज ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. नेशनल फिल्म हेरिटेज मिशन वॉज स्टार्टेड बाय विच मिनिस्ट्री? ऑप्शन ए, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Option B, Ministry of Information Technology. Option C, Ministry of Textile. Option D, Ministry of Culture. आपका सही आंसर है Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. What is the aim behind this mission? The aim ये है कि it makes the films available to the audiences worldwide in the best quality and also ensures the long-term preservation of Indian cinema for the next 100 years and more. Next question. Question number 8. What is the name of the first Indian village which was earlier known as the last village? Option A Chettinad, option B Kutch, ऑप्शन सी माना या ऑप्शन डी धुबुरी. आपका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी माना. तो ये विलेज एक्चुअली कहाँ लोकेटेड है? ये विलेज लोकेटेड है उत्तराखंड स्टेट में. आई हैव मेंशन्ड ओवर हियर. एंड इन विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट? इन द डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ चामोली. Question number 9. According to Kepler data, which country has become the largest supplier of refined fuels to Europe? Option A USA, option B Russia, option C Japan or option D India. The right answer is option D India. According to Kepler data, the country of India has become the largest supplier of refined fuels to the country of Europe. Here in the GS revision quiz, I have mentioned 5 questions from Maharashtra Geography, Polity, History, Science and Economics. Do let me know the answers in the comment section. इसके साथ आपका GS का भी revision होता चला जाएगा. We are also available on Instagram and Telegram. Do get in touch with us. We also upload daily quiz on our channel. If you all wish, please do get in touch with us. If you have liked today's lecture or you have any constructive suggestion, doubts or demands which you want us to address, do let us know in the comment section. We will definitely look into it. Thank you for watching. I hope you all have a great day ahead. Jai Hind.